Do you dream of becoming a successful YouTuber and have many fans? Maybe you want another tool to sell your goods or services? Or do you want to receive additional income from YouTube monetization, but do not know how to start? Then this online course is just for you. I am the owner of several channels and have experience in managing channels that have monetized and increased sales of their products with my help. There are 2 videos in the course, theoretical and practical parts, the total length of which is 1 hour. I will share my experience with you and tell you about YouTube itself. In the first part, you will hear about what YouTube is, what opportunities it provides, tips for creating and maintaining a channel, and the main mistakes of beginners. In the second part of the video, I will show you how to optimize for setting up your channel correctly, how to upload videos and make them as effective as possible with the right analytics and various tips and tricks. If you are interested in this, write to me on email or in Discord. Look for it in the video description.